In today's dynamic and fast-paced work environment, effective project management is no longer a luxury but a necessity for businesses of all sizes. Successfully delivering projects on time, within budget, and to the required specifications demands meticulous planning, seamless collaboration, and robust tracking. This is where project management software steps in, acting as a central hub for all project-related activities. Among the plethora of options available, Nifty has emerged as a user-friendly and feature-rich platform designed to streamline workflows and enhance team productivity. For those venturing into the realm of project management or seeking to elevate their existing practices, understanding the core functionalities of a tool like Nifty is paramount. This video will delve into the key features that make Nifty a compelling choice for managing projects, breaking down complex functionalities into easily digestible concepts. Whether you're a seasoned project manager or a student eager to grasp the fundamentals, this exploration will provide a clear understanding of how Nifty can empower you to navigate the intricacies of project execution with confidence. At its heart, Nifty serves as a centralized platform, eliminating the chaos of scattered emails, disparate spreadsheets, and fragmented communication channels. It brings together all essential project elements into one intuitive interface, fostering clarity and ensuring everyone on the team is on the same page. Let's explore the specific features that contribute to this cohesive project management experience. 1. Task management, the building blocks of progress. Effective task management forms the bedrock of any successful project. Nifty excels in this area by providing a flexible and organized system for breaking down large projects into manageable tasks and subtasks. Users can easily create, assign, and prioritize tasks, setting due dates and dependencies to ensure a logical flow of work. The platform offers various views, such as List View, Kanban Board, and Calendar View, allowing teams to visualize their workload in a way that best suits their preferences. Progress tracking is intuitive, with clear indicators of task status, assigned personnel, and completion percentages. This granular level of control over individual tasks contributes significantly to overall project visibility and timely execution. 2. Project overview and portfolio management, the big picture. While managing individual tasks is crucial, having a bird's-eye view of the entire project and even a portfolio of projects is equally important. Nifty provides comprehensive project overviews that summarize key metrics, timelines, and progress at a glance. For organizations managing multiple projects simultaneously, the portfolio management feature offers a consolidated dashboard to track the health and status of all ongoing initiatives. This high-level visibility empowers stakeholders to make informed decisions, allocate resources effectively, and identify potential bottlenecks across the entire project landscape. 3. Collaboration and communication, fostering team synergy. Project success hinges on effective communication and seamless collaboration among team members. Nifty integrates robust communication tools directly within the project environment. Task-specific discussions, file sharing, and direct messaging capabilities eliminate the need to switch between multiple applications, streamlining communication and keeping all project-related conversations contextualized. This fosters a collaborative environment where team members can easily share updates, ask questions, and provide feedback, leading to improved efficiency and reduced misunderstandings. 4. Time tracking and reporting, measuring effort and performance. Accurate time tracking is essential for understanding project costs, managing resources effectively, and gaining insights into team productivity. Nifty offers integrated time tracking features that allow team members to log their work hours against specific tasks. This data can then be used to generate detailed reports on time spent, resource utilization, and project profitability. These reports provide valuable insights for project managers to monitor progress, identify potential overruns, and make data-driven adjustments to ensure projects stay on track and within budget. 5. File management and sharing, centralizing project assets. Projects often involve numerous documents, images, and other files. Nifty provides a centralized file management system where all project-related assets can be securely stored, organized, and shared. Version control ensures that everyone is working with the latest iterations of documents, eliminating confusion and errors. Easy access to relevant files directly within the project workspace enhances collaboration and streamlines workflows, as team members can quickly find and utilize the resources they need. 6. Milestones and dependencies. Charting the project roadmap. Defining clear milestones and understanding task dependencies are crucial for maintaining a realistic project timeline. Nifty allows project managers to set key milestones, marking significant progress points throughout the project lifecycle. Furthermore, the ability to establish dependencies between tasks ensures that work progresses in a logical sequence, preventing delays caused by waiting for predecessor tasks to be completed. Visualizing these milestones and dependencies on a Gantt chart provides a clear roadmap of the project schedule and helps in identifying critical paths. 7. Budgeting and invoicing. Managing project finances. For projects with financial implications, Nifty offers features for managing budgets and generating invoices. Project managers can define budgets, track expenses, and monitor financial performance against targets. The platform also facilitates the creation and sending of professional invoices based on tracked time and expenses, streamlining the billing process and ensuring timely payments. This integration of financial management tools within the project management software provides a holistic view of project performance, encompassing both progress and profitability. 8. Integrations. Extending functionality. Recognizing that no single software can cater to every need, Nifty offers integrations with a variety of other popular tools and platforms. This allows users to connect Nifty with their existing workflows, such as communication platforms like Slack, file storage services like Google Drive, and other business applications. These integrations enhance the versatility of Nifty and ensure a seamless flow of information across different systems.